Hi everyone, this is Mr. Cayus here. We're going to continue working on the house. We're going to be adding the last section of the house, which is making the roof. Keep in mind that in your house, you have these people right here to give you an idea of how high your house is supposed to be. Okay, so let me zoom out. Behind our house, we have a few already made that have different styles for the roof, and we're going to go through each one to see how we can build it. Okay, so let's just start by making the first one. Let's say that you have your floor, you have a rectangle, and let me make that. Okay, so let's say that's your house, and let's just start by making the first one. You can add a rectangle right here going up, and then we're going to turn around. We're going to select it, and we're going to be pulling that to make a flat roof. Okay, now to make the first one, all we need to do is draw a line in the middle. It says midpoint to midpoint. Once we have that, we're going to be using the move tool right here, and it's going to go up like that. Okay, so we have to select the line in the middle so that it can come up. Next, we're going to be working on the other house. So let me paste that house right here next to this one, and we already have a flat roof. We're going to find the midpoint right here, draw a line, and then another one to this corner. Another one, and then find the midpoint, draw a line, then we're going to remove this line right here, erase it, and this one, we're going to connect these two. We're also going to be using the move tool. Let's select that line and bring it up like that, and we have our roof in that style. Let's move on to the next one. Let me paste the house right here. So we're going to be using the pencil. We're going to find the midpoint right here and right here, midpoint, midpoint, and then we're going to connect those points, those corners right here, and then we're going to remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's change the angle, and we're going to move it up right there. If you notice there's a blue line, the blue axis, you need the blue axis so that it can go straight up. Okay, and there we have it. Let's go to the next one. Let's paste it right here, and then we're gonna be selecting the roof, and then we're gonna select this line, click on it, and go up. If you notice there's a blue axis, and that is the other one. Okay, let's move on. Now you can also change the angle if you select the line one more time and you move it up or down. Okay, So this one is going to be next. Let's put the house right there. Okay, so we're going to be using the offset, making a rectangle inside. And then we're going to select that rectangle inside. And we're going to use a pencil to connect those points. And then bring it up like that on blue axis. Okay. The last one, which is this one, the intersecting roof. We already have something like that right here. All we need is just to add a triangle right here. So we can make another one. We're going to paste it. Okay. Let's make that triangle right here using our pencil, finding the midpoint. We're going to connect this one. Then we remove this line in the middle. Let's turn around. We're going to pull that right here. Okay. And then we're going to make a triangle right here. Again, you can find the midpoint right here. Make a line using the blue axis. Connect those corners right here. Remove this one. And then turn around right here. And then we're going to pull this one more time. Like that. Now you can also select this side, pull that as well. Okay, and there you have it. Now we can also add texture to the roof. We're going to select roofing, and then you can pick different styles for that. Now right here in this one, we can do something else. Find your midpoint right here, and if we remove this right here, we can stretch that a little more, like that. Okay, so it looks even nicer. Okay, so be creative and do your best.